Hello class, this is Miss Bullock, and today I wanted to go over the differences between these two perspectives and when to use them in your work. I noticed in your sketchbook assignments that the perspective hasn't been consistent throughout your 3D work, and it's really important to maintain that consistency if you're drawing something that you want to look true to life. So with the suggestions that I make today, you will be able to draw scenes that are more accurate. So here I have examples using real photographs, not drawings, of the two different perspectives that I'm going to talk about. So over here on the left we have one-point perspective. One-point perspective is something that you use when you're looking straight onto an object or a scene and all of the lines are converging to one point. So you can see that over here. They're all converging to this point. All of these lines are converging to that point. On the right, I have two-point perspective, and that's something that you use when you're looking at the corner of something like a building, and the lines are converging to two different points. So you can see here. So I'm going to go on to the next page and show you how to get started with these. So here we go. We have my page divided in half. Start with a line. Now you're going to start with a horizon line, and that's just like your eye line, and all the points are going to converge to that line. So over here we're just going to draw that horizon line, and we'll label it as such, H, L, horizon line. A little messy. And then we are going to put a point on that line. It could be anywhere. It could be over here, it could be over here. I'm going to do it right in the middle. And that is the point that all of the lines of your image will converge to, no matter where they are, even if they're over here. And that's really how you get started with one-point perspective. Now over here we have two-point perspective, and we're going to do the same thing. We're going to draw our horizon line, and what's different is now we're going to put 2 points. It's pretty self-explanatory though. So here's 1 point, and here's 2 points. Now if you have a corner of something here, lines will converge to that point, and lines will converge to that point. And I'll just label these VP for vanishing point, so you can remember that. Now, nothing is randomly just on different lines, so you can't have 2 horizon lines, 3 or 4. You can't do that because that's not how the world works. And everything is going to converge to your vanishing points. So I'm just going to show you how this plays out because this is not the cleanest. So here we go. Here's actual cubes drawn to those vanishing points. As you can see, they have the horizon line, vanishing point, and all of the lines of everything are converging to that point. Now, these lines are not, because as I said, you're looking at it straight on, so you're going to have that flat part of your image. Over here in 2 point, you have the corner, and then all of the other lines converge, except for, the vertical lines here. Now, I want you to try, and I want to see you try both methods and tell me when you would use each, whatever you're drawing, when you would use them. Again, it's really important to know these basics so that your life drawings make sense. Of course, art can be unique, and you can explore maybe trying those 3 or 4 different horizon lines and vanishing points and drawing a scene that uses all of them. But if you're trying to have everything represent something you physically see in the real world, you need to maintain that consistency. And don't forget that things that are further away are smaller, and things that are closer to you are larger in your perspective drawings. Alright, again, let me see you try them out, and have a good time.